How does Ewing sarcoma metastasis spread in the body? Imagine a cancer that can travel through the body like a stealthy explorer, mainly using the bloodstream to reach distant places. That's how Ewing sarcoma spreads. It primarily moves through a process called hematogenous metastasis, which means cancer cells break away from the original tumor in the bone or soft tissue and travel via blood vessels. The most common destination for these cells is the lungs, which act like a first stop for many metastatic cancers. After the lungs, Ewing sarcoma often spreads to other bones and even the bone marrow, which is part of the blood cell production system inside bones. Spread through the lymphatic system, which is another way the body transports fluids and immune cells, is less common in Ewing sarcoma. The journey of metastasis involves several biological steps. When the tumor grows rapidly, parts of it can become deprived of oxygen, creating a condition called hypoxia. This triggers pathways inside the cancer cells that help them survive and adapt to new environments. One such pathway involves a receptor called Y5R, which responds to low oxygen levels and helps cancer cells change genetically to become more aggressive and resistant to treatments. These changes make it easier for the cells to invade nearby tissues and enter the bloodstream. On a molecular level, Ewing sarcoma often features a specific genetic abnormality, a fusion protein called EWESFLI1. This abnormal protein results from a chromosomal translocation, a kind of genetic rearrangement. It alters how genes are expressed and how the chromatin, the structure that packages DNA, functions. This promotes tumor growth and makes it easier for cancer cells to metastasize. Epigenetic regulators, which are molecules that modify gene activity without changing the DNA sequence, also play a role. Enzymes like histone demethylases and methyltransferases modify gene expression patterns that encourage cancer cells to migrate and invade other tissues. When Ewing sarcoma spreads, the outlook can become more serious. The prognosis worsens significantly if the cancer reaches the lungs, bones, or bone marrow. Treatment for metastatic disease usually involves a combination of chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation therapy, all coordinated by a team of specialists experienced in sarcoma care. Understanding how Ewing sarcoma spreads helps researchers develop better treatments and improve outcomes for patients facing metastatic disease. Remember, each case is unique, and personalized medical advice from healthcare professionals is essential for the best care.